There is nothing worse than heading to the airport only to find out that your passport is expired. But just how long is a US passport good for? Your passport's expiration date depends on when it was issued or renewed. A passport is valid for 10 years if you got it when you were 16 years old or older. If your passport was issued before you turned 16, it's valid for 5 years. The issue date is on the data page or on the front of your passport card. But you don't have to wait for your passport to expire to renew it. If you want a new passport book or card, all you have to do is submit the valid documents in exchange for new ones. If you're applying for a passport, you'll be asked for a new application, your most recent passport, a passport photo, and payment. And if your name has changed since your last passport, don't forget to bring a certified copy of your marriage certificate or a court order of your name change. But if your passport has already expired, don't worry. You can still get it renewed if it was issued in the last 15 years.